Hey guys, so I just wanted to mention briefly that we have a workshop that is going to be happening on the front side of PM Grow. For those of you that want to come early, for those of you that want even more, we have something special for you. Jeremy Pound is going to be coming in talking about sales and talking about the basic mechanics, everything from upfront qualification. Who do you figure out who your target ideal client profile is, and how do you structure your conversations so that those are the only people that you're actually qualifying and bringing in? How do you handle objections? Are you comfortable dealing with those pricing questions of give me a discount, those people that want to grind you down on price, those people that are just, you know that it's not a fit, but you're tempted. They're multiple property owners, they got 2, 3, 4, 5, they maybe even have 10 single family units. How do you position that conversation so you come out ahead and they feel like they got something? And finally, in terms of actually handling the close, there is so much we're not going to talk about right now, but that will be in the workshop, but focusing on the close, getting that check. At the end of the day, do you have closing skills to pull a deal back from the brink? When you had the set, you did the belly-to-belly appointment, but for whatever reason that person has gone dark on you, do you know how to revive a deal? Do you know how to prevent that from happening? Do you know how to format sales collateral and give the pitch in such a way that it naturally comes to a conclusion? This and much more happening right before PM Grow. We're going to be doing a great workshop, guys. Love to see you there. See you soon.